Just got the mic stands and the mics. Got them clamped on the table. They're looking good. Nice and flex. Finished up some of this wool. Got the black curtain. We got one more coming over here. And we got these curtains. It's looking good so far. Still working on these paintings. Just might do an art gallery. On the music side, we plugging up today. What we got going on, cuz?
Oh man, you know, we just wiring. We wiring it all up. I'm trying to make a beat tonight.
That looks different behind you. What is that?
You know, it's a little soundproofing. Gotta add a little more to cover the rest. Just gotta cut them in half. They right there.
All right.
And we got that door.
And the bathroom door.
Just gotta get the two halves at the bottom. That's it.
A little more at the bottom. This fit perfectly on the door. Plugging up. He's trying to get a beat on tonight.
Yes, sir.
All right. After connecting my phone to the LED lamps, I got them on. And pretty easy to use. I didn't have to buy all these. I didn't even have to buy these gray ones. We just have to cut a few squares and make. This would have been actually 100% perfect. 2, 4, 6. Would have been 3, 4, 5. Nah, I didn't even need this pack. But you know what? We'll just use it for something else. Maybe I'll use it on the ceiling. Won't go to waste. Soundproofing never goes to waste. So, this is the light. Pretty good light. Really lights up the whole wall. We just have to angle it right. So it gets to the wall. And so it doesn't bother the guest. Aim it to the corner. Aim it up from the corner.